So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of access denied on your laptops. Now, in order to fix that on any Windows devices that you use, if you're facing that issue, now let's say for example, if by accessing this new folder it gives me the error. Now, in order to get that fixed, just simply right click on that specific folder, click on properties. Now go under the section of security. Inside security, click on this option of advanced. Now in this list, you'll find all the available access control of that particular folder. You'll notice that the administrator had full access and the system had full access. Now, from whichever computer you are accessing it, it does not give the permission. Just simply hit on this option of add and add that specific. Just simply select the under the object type, simply select the other object or simply select the user as well. Once you do it, simply add the name of that specific device that you want to access the folder from, and once you'll notice the name is added in this list, and now you can easily access the folder.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.